All right, guys, let's talk about the digital notebook. So, everything in today's society is kind of going digital, recording it that way, which is great. It saves paper, it saves trees, it's great for the environment. Um, However, those of us who are old, or your parents, guardians, I'm not saying they're old, I'm old. But brain research shows that when you write things down and helps process it, helps you remember it. Um, so when you're watching the videos for math class, you should take notes on paper because it's going to be really hard to pause and then go back and forth to the digital notebook. Another thing you could do is take your notes in color. So get you some markers, some colored pencils, colored pens, whatever you like to write with. And the reason I say you should do it in color is because your brain lives in color. Every day is in color. It's not in black and white. When you have a memory from a child from when you were very little, and that memory starts to get old, you start remembering it and the colors fade and they start to get kind of grayed out as in black and white. So whenever we do things in black and white or write them in black and white, our brain automatically starts to think that it's old. So if you write things down in color or record it in color or use it when you do your digital notebook in color, it's going to help your brain say, oh, this is new. This is right now. This is stuff I need to know and to remember. So using color is something I like a lot, and it's great because you're not actually going to have to turn in that paper. So you can do things in color and then transfer it to your digital notebook. So I'm going to share my screen and show you the digital notebook. Um, you will be forced to make a copy of the digital notebook that will be an assignment in your math class. It is a way for you to take notes. So if you want it or you have a printer, you could print that out. Come on now. So you could print it out and write directly into that and then transfer it into the computer to turn it in. The digital notebook is a grade, it's a completion grade because it's a way for you to take notes. It is going to look something like this on your screen, and then you will be able to click in it, write your name, etc. So it's going to go right along with the different lessons that we are using in math. Like I said, I prefer for learning is when you're watching the videos, take notes on paper, write down the practice problems, and then go back and type in what you learned into your digital notebook to remember and keep track of your notes. Now, your digital notebook has some things that are click and slide. So you've got the answers and you drag them in there and to click it and to save it. Like I said, you're going to have to make a copy so that each person's is their own and you're not sharing a document and you're not messing with everybody else's. I'm going to stop sharing. Maybe go back to me. So if you have any questions about how to take notes, what you think is best, or for math class and the digital notebook, just let me know. But again, I think it's very important that when you're watching the videos, you're taking notes. I would do them in color. I think it's going to help you remember, and then transfer it back into that digital notebook. That way you will have them and be able to keep a digital copy as well once after you've written it down. So let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.